Don't you think so?
You know, in 1944, as a sociologist, you must be aware, Karl Popper wrote about the paradox of tolerance. When tolerant ideas evolved in the society because of liberalism, he was probably the most liberal sociologist. He warned that if intolerance becomes so powerful as to destroy tolerance itself, tolerating that intolerance is suicidal for the tolerant. In fact, it is uncontested even today. What is happening in India is paradox of tolerance. And this has to be exposed. We have to plant the seed ideas wherever it is possible. It may be in a tweet, it may be in a WhatsApp, it may be in an article. That is what people like me keep doing. There is no Ramnath Goenka today who will put his entire empire at stake to carry this as a campaign. There is nobody today in that sense. In fact, I look up to you because you are doing things which he was doing in a way. I mean, of course, the styles are different and the situation is different. But challenging this erosion in values was the campaign of Ramnath Goenka. The government came incidentally. You know, the man, he ran an independent paper. He was a congressman. He resigned from the Congress in 1966 because the Congress would not ban cow slaughter. He was such a firm believer. And he believed in the idea of India and was able to carry his message through his vast network. And that was an important factor in changing the paradigm in this country. So this is an intellectual tussle, battle, in which we need people who will put out points which cannot be contested. My Laujigand article has not been contested by anyone because it is based on historical research, which shows both the Muslims as well as secular liberals have written how through marriages, not just individuals, but even nations have been converted. In fact, the Muslim scholars are saying, people are saying we converted people by sword. This is wrong. We converted people by marriage. That means in the Muslim marriage, unlike in the marriages of others, there is not an element of religion, there is the element of religion when it comes to love marriage of Muslims or the non-Muslims. It is their own confession. I have not added one line. So I think we should be able to put our points in such a manner. It cannot be countered. We have to generate that people. We have to provide platforms for them. That is the only way Ramnath Goenka transformed the discourse.
No, I think you by the way, your reference to Karl Popper, though one of my favorite thinkers of this 20th century. I have been a student of sociology, as you know, and whenever we study anyone from Weber to Durkheim to Karl Popper, I never thought of it in that context. And viewers, I just like to tell you what Mr. Gurumurthy referred to. One of our favorite sociologists and social thinkers, Karl Popper, said that if a society or a country or a nation or any one of us, if a people are to be tolerant, then we must be intolerant of the intolerant. And therefore, if those who are right of center believe that those who consider themselves left of center are intolerant, it is our duty to challenge them. So we are going to reiterate this philosophy, and it applies equally to those on the other side. If they believe we are intolerant, then they can use Karl Popper to actually question us as well. That will be the foundation of a more progressive and tolerant society. And I think that is why Mr. Gurumurthy is such an incredible ingredient in our social fabric today. when he puts forward views that are controversial, very few people have beyond intellectual curiosity to challenge him, and that, I think, shows up the importance of well-researched journalism. I am